Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. So today I'm going to show you how you can extract information from MySQL database. So what you need to do, you need to need to start all the dependencies that you need to. Now I'm going to show you how you can extract information and add information in your MySQL database. So what I'm going to do. So suppose you want to create database. So create database, and then you can add. Then you can create this, and then you can run this. So database is created in my MySQL database. Okay, so and then if you want to drop any database, you can use this drop. Delete any database. You can use drop database, and then you need to write the database name. So I want to delete personal info. So and then I'm going to run it. So as you can see, info has been deleted from my MySQL server. Suppose if you want to create table, so if you want to create table, then you can use this command and run it. The user already exists. I have to products employee information. I'm going to create a table which is going to be employee information. And then I'm going to run it. So yeah, a table is created with the name of employee information in my MySQL server, and then if you are adding want to add any extra information, then you can use this command. Let's see whether it's work or not, or do I need to make any changes. So I need to I'm not going to do that because it will take time. So let's show you another thing. Now I'm moving to my database, MySQL. So I'm moving to my database, MySQL. And you can find out database is created at me, but information need to be added. So okay, so let's check that. So what you gonna need to do? I'm going to use database run and then run it again. Exactly. Worker information. Now let's find out. As you can see, a table has been created, and the name is worker information. And so if you want to see tables from your MySQL server, you can use this command, and you can see the list of table inside your database. So suppose if you want to fetch any information, I mean extract information from your MySQL database, then what you can do is that you use the list of MySQL. Use MySQL show tables. Select all from time zone. Okay, so I'm going to run it. It is showing nothing about engine cost. So I'm going to select all from engine cost. Suppose I'm going to use I'm going to disconnect this and I'm going to use another extension. I'm going to remove the connection with this command, and I'm no longer connected with my MySQL server. So now let's use this connection, host localhost, and port number 18. MySQL localhost. So I'm connected with my database. So now I'm going to select. So let's use MySQL. Select all from MySQL. I'm going to run it first. Select all from DB. Now let's run this. So yeah, so you can find out for your convenience. You can set up. Suppose if you want to export it, see it is only for premium members. So thank you all. Keep watching my videos if you want to learn more. And don't forget to press like and hit subscribe button if you find my videos helpful. Thank you all. Best of luck.